Ito, pare. Walang masama magmahal. Masarap magmahal. As long as sarili mo hindi na mawala.
Don't let your emotions control. Dictate your actions. Dami flaws. Choice natin to grow, to learn, to be better. You have to be better.
Basically, you're building an unhealthy relationship. If simula pa lang, tinatry mo na i-control lahat, na nawawala yung sarili mo. Paano pa kayo eventually? So ngayon pa lang, build good habits. So that in the future, mas okay. Good.
Let it be, bro. Hindi mo wala yung control lahat ng bagay.